It's located on private 0.47-acre lot in southern Chesapeake and within the Hickory Schools district. This lovely two-story home offers 4 bedrooms and a game room. The spacious open floor plan includes a great room that connects to the kitchen featuring a center island, granite counters, pantry, a large dining area, and stainless steel appliances. The owner's suite boasts a large closet and a full bath with tile surround, a step-in shower, a comfort height vanity with double bowls, granite counters, and tile flooring. Other notable features include a 2-car attached garage, LVP flooring in the foyer, great room, kitchen, and dining area, carpeting in all bedrooms, an additional first-floor bedrooms and full bath, granite counters in bathrooms, second-floor laundry room, architectural shingle roof, and more. Call today for more.